Hello and welcome to the DDC ID instruction video. This video will show you the step-by-step process of how to use the DDC ID app. Once you have completed your online form, you will be given the option to continue with digital identity. Choose your biometric passport as your nominated document. Read the on-screen instructions carefully before clicking Start Digital Identity. The next page will then provide you with the QR code and how to download the app from the relevant app store. The first step is to scan your document. Frame your photo passport page within the border and follow the instructions. The second step is the NFC chip read. Close your passport and put this on a flat surface. Place your phone directly on top of the passport and slide your phone until the chip has been recognized. The final step is your selfie. Ensure you have good lighting, minimal background and nothing obscuring your face. Hold your phone steady and follow the instructions. Click Finish and return to the online portal. You will then need to click the green Submit button to complete your application. If you need any assistance with your application, don't hesitate to get in contact with our friendly customer service team. Thanks for watching and learning all about digital identity.